If you wanted the ultimate South of Fifth lifestyle in Miami Beach, this right here is where you would live. Welcome back to Sally Miami Dreams. Today, I'm taking you inside Continuum South Beach, one of the most exclusive residences in South Beach. This is a combined residence, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms layout, just under 4,200 square feet, and currently asking $22 million. So, let's experience. As you walk in, you have 2 elevators, a private foyer, and this beautiful massive door that welcomes you to your unit. Come on in. And as soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by this beautiful corner residence with unobstructed ocean views. The kitchen really have this minimalistic design, a lot of stainless steel. We were actually wondering if this right here could be like a massive cutting board. What do you think? Stainless steel. One thing that I found it very nice is that you have this very minimalistic design here, but when you opens up, it is your pantry, and it's pretty big. Nice, right? And then you can just hide it. Just hide it. It's like this. Coming this way, we have the primary right off the entrance. We came in that way, and this is where the primary is. Very spacious. Tall ceilings. Beautiful views from every corner, of course. You have his and hers closet. Dual sink, 3 shower heads, and a steam room as well, I can tell. And here is where your water closet is. Coming back this way. Now, if you remember what I mentioned, this is a combined unit. So these were 2 units that they combined together, and I wanted to show you this door. So this would be 1 unit in the original settings, right? But since they combined them, we merged with the other unit to make this bigger. So we have here a powder room. Oh, this is actually a full bathroom, not a powder room. We have a full bathroom that opens up to both sides. Coming this way, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms plus the laundry space. Every single bedroom opens up to the water. Have closets. Lots of, oh, there's a TV here. I love how you can just hide it. Just hide the TV. This is one of my favorite bedrooms right here. You have a really nice view off the beach. Honestly, a big part of what makes this residence so special is the location. South of Fifth has a very different lifestyle compared to the rest of Miami Beach. It's much more quieter, much more private, and much more exclusive. And this building, Continuum South Beach, really takes that lifestyle to the next level. And you're probably wondering, why are the balconies closed off with all those tapes? Well, the Continuum South Beach is currently working on the concrete restorations of the balconies. Honestly, a lot of waterfront buildings in Miami Beach are doing this right now as part of the regulation, the new laws and regulations, but it is expected to be reopened in August 2026. This is your other entrance to the elevators. This is where your laundry room is, as you can see clearly. Stainless steel finishes, very nice. You have a bathroom here as well. This could be an office, this could be your kids' playroom, it could be your reading room, many possibilities. And this will be the last bedroom. I think the camera probably doesn't do justice for how beautiful this view is and all the different layers of water that you can see. You can see so far out, it's very incredible. You can see everyone on the beach. Very easy access to the beach. Literally just a few steps and you're right there. One thing I like to point out is that there's no baseboards, but you can see you have that space where some people, they do like to add LED lighting to make it very, modern, very nice. That's a possibility. And one thing that I also like to point out is the doors, the finishes. You can see how tall they are. They go all the way to the ceiling. This door specifically, it's really massive, but you can see that every door goes all the way to the ceiling and it has this flush finish to it. It really adds a special touch. Definitely one of the most complete lifestyles you can have in Miami Beach. If you want to see it in person, my contact information is in the description below. Subscribe. We have a new tour every week, and I can't wait to show you what's coming next week. See you then.